What's up everyone, welcome back. So I know it's been really long that I haven't made any pot videos, so I thought today I'll show you how to make a concrete pot. Now I had gone to buy some groceries and I happened to see this plastic pots available, and I thought these are going to work out really well for succulents because they aren't that huge. So we are going to try using this as a mold. Now of course this is going to be pot and pot method, so we need another smaller container that is going to fit exactly like this. Now another detail, we do not want the inner pot to go in like this, otherwise the base is going to become very thin and it is going to break. So we have to place the inner container, like we do not need to push it that deep, we're just going to push it in probably this much, so we have enough space at the base. So these are going to be the two containers, and we have our the material that we are going to make it into concrete, that is grey cement and some sand. This is 3 parts of grey cement and 2 parts of sand is what we are going to be using. Now before I start making the pot, the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding in a little bit of oil. So we're just going to coat the plastic container with some oil. You can use any oil, any spray oil, vegetable oil. So you can use anything. This is basically to make it easy to unmold the concrete pot once it starts to set in. And that's about it. We are also going to put some oil onto this pot as well. I have put in a tape beneath because this particular pot had some drain holes. We're going to keep this aside, and now let's make the concrete. We're going to use little water because I'm planning to make the mix a little bit thicker so that it's going to be easy to work with this. So initially we are going to start adding in water little by little because we do not want to make the mixture very runny. It should not be very thick, it should not be very runny. So let me mix this together. So now as you can see, we have a perfect consistency, not too runny, not too thick. We need to have something like this, and we will start to pour it into this container. We'll give it a tap. Then we are going to place this container inside it and start tapping it. We're going to continue to tap to release all the air bubbles, and we are going to add a piece of rock or some weight to keep the pot in place. So now this is going to be kept in indirect bright light away from direct sunlight. We will let it cure, which will take around about 48 hours, and once it's ready to be unmolded, I'll give you an update. So guys, it has been around 48 hours. I've taken out the inner mold. It was a little bit difficult, so it did break, but anyways, this is how our concrete pot looks. I like the depth, it's quite good for one succulent. Let's turn it around, and there we go. We have our beautiful concrete pot. So it looks absolutely stunning. This, I think, damage is because of these lines that are present in that, but it's okay. The pot looks absolutely stunning. I like these legs, so I don't have to add additionally any legs. So we would require to do a little bit of sanding. I'll have to make some drain holes, and I'll sand and smoothen the edges. But overall the pot looks very, very nice. I think an haworthia is going to look absolutely stunning in this pot. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.